meet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. So I was connecting to the divine and they wanted me to do a yes or no tarot card reading video for you guys today, so this is what I got for us. I hope you guys enjoy it. So you're just going to want to go ahead and pick whichever crystal is calling you. Use your intuition, aka your gut feeling is your intuition. So go ahead, find out which one's calling you, and go ahead and check out the comment section down below to find your timestamp and select that pile, and you'll get your answer to your question if it's a yes, a no, or maybe something else in between. You'll find out. So without further ado, let's get into this magical video. Alright guys, so go ahead and pick either the purple mala, the black tourmaline crystal, or the aura-coated chalcedony stone, guys. Pick whichever pile is catching your eye to get your yes or no answer. Okay guys, to those of you who picked the first group, let's go ahead and find out if your answer is yes or no to begin with. I'm gonna go ahead and use the pendulum board and get this going. At this time I now pronounce the greatest source, the great divine, thus washed out the old and stuck to bring about the truest luck. With clear of mind and clear of time, my spirit guides can now align. I ask for truth, I ask for thought. As this pendulum swings, show me the spot. At this time I now connect the greatest source, the great divine, so mote it be. So to my spirit guides, to Archangel Michael, to God, the Ascended Masters, for the first group for Amethyst, is it yes or no to their answer? Is it yes or no? It's so funny guys, before it even went to no, I had a feeling it would already go to no intuitively, and my intuition was correct. So it looks like it's a no for Amethyst for the first group. So for you guys, it said no. Let's see what it's saying no about, or to give you some clarity. Let's see, we got the Bat card, we got Labradorite, 6 of Air, and a new start is coming. So that's good guys. With the answer being no, it's also giving you comfort to let you know that there is a new start coming. Let's go ahead and get some clarification cards. What inspiration can we give them? What message is there for them as well? I'll let that one fall. So that's kind of cool guys. You got the triple moon card. You got a new start is coming and a new moon. You got the Bat card with a moon. And you also got the Labradorite card with the big circle Labradorite, which represents the moon. So you literally got 3 cards that represent the moon, guys. Right here, you got Labradorite that represents the new moon, full moon with the bat, new moon right here, and then this triple moon goddess card popped out, guys. So it's like 3 moons, triple moon goddess, 3 synchronicity, all the good vibes, guys. So let's see what everything says. So for the triple moon goddess card, it says embracing all aspects of yourself, the divine and the earthly. So take that little message into consideration. So there's a new start coming your way. There's the Bat, there's Labradorite, and 6 of Air. Things are looking up. The end of a difficult situation is taking a trip. So I'm taking this card in consideration, guys, that possibly something may have happened and you guys have left that situation, you're moving on, but you have the temptation to go backwards, to little bit dip back into that situation, to reignite it a little bit and revisit it. Just let it go, because you need to. A new start is coming your way if you do this. If you don't, you're just asking for trouble. So a new start will be coming if you guys just leave whatever situation that is going on behind. Make peace with it. Know that there is a new start coming. You just have to make peace. And then Labradorite is all about new beginnings, new intention setting with the new moon, the stone of magic. So you guys can also work with this crystal to help you out, to go ahead and channel that fresh start energy, to go ahead and do all that good stuff. The new moon is coming up too, guys, so you may want to work with the new moon to go ahead and create some manifestations and set them out to the universe. Use the law of attraction to bring them forth into your reality. And we got the Bat card, guys. Bats can't see, but they can also hear, so maybe you're hearing some stuff stirring around. Just leave it be and let the new fresh start come your guys' way. And with the triple moon goddess card, guys, it's just embracing all aspects of yourself, the divine and the earthly. So go ahead and embrace all of it. Be in alignment, and that's pretty much it for this pile, guys. So for group 1, the answer is no. A new beginning is coming your way, and that's amazing. I'm so happy that a new fresh start is coming for you guys. Those are always fun. So That's all I got for you, group number 1. Blessed be. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below, and let me know if you enjoyed your reading. In the description box there's a PayPal donation too if you guys would like to donate anything, and thank you so much for watching. Alright, group number 2, so to those of you who picked Tourmaline, let's go ahead and find out if it's a yes or a no for you guys. It's funny because I don't even need to use this pendulum board, but I'm just using it for, like, to actually use it and to give it the aesthetics, guys, but my intuition's already telling me for you guys it's gonna be a yes. So I'm just using this for the fun little use of using it. It's always fun to use divination tools, and in time your intuition and magic grows. So Archangel Michael, to my spirit guides, to the divine, is it a yes or a no for group number 2 for Tourmaline? I'm already feeling a yes, guys, but let's go ahead and see where this baby lands. Do you guys see how it's circling around yes? I'm just keeping my hand in the same spot, and it's moving around the yes one. Earlier it was no. So it's definitely a yes for you guys. Whatever your question is, the answer is yes for you. And let's see what these cards are going to tell us. So we got the Cosmic Egg, we got the Herkimer Diamond, the Empress, and we also got, the New Moon in Libra. A new romantic cycle will begin. Lavish abundance, give birth to your dreams, nurture yourself and others, the Empress. Herkimer Diamond and the Cosmic Egg. So, guys, we're getting lots of sign of romance. So the egg with the snake wrapped around it can represent like a baby coming, like baby in the future. We got like just love coming in your way, and that you're going to be showered with abundance and things that you deserve. And going all on with that, things about things you guys deserve, it also represents, okay, they're laughing at me, my spiritual team. This isn't meaning a baby's coming for you guys. This means like you're the little egg and the snake is going to wrap around you, so the love that is going to come into your life is going to wrap around you. And for some of you it may be a romantic love coming, to others it isn't a romantic love, but it's just representing how the snake is like around the egg hugging it, is how loyal and loving the person is going to be to you coming into your life. So it could be a friendship, can be all things that represent love. So beautiful love coming to you guys. And with the Empress card, and it says lavish abundance and give birth to your dreams, nurture yourself and others. Of course you need to self-love yourself, but this person's gonna self-love you and give you a lot of beautiful things. And with the Herkimer Diamond card, out of all the crystal cards, this one is like giving you the diamond vibe. So it's giving you that like abundance vibe, that good energy. So you guys can work with that stone around this time. And a new romantic cycle will begin. That's so exciting, guys. Let's call in a little clarification card. What other messages? It's a clarification card for group number 2 with Tourmaline, Archangel Michael. Clarification card for group number 2. Okay, guys, everything was just about to fall out, but the first card that's gonna fall out right now is this one. So I'm gonna give you guys this card right here. So this one was jumping out with like a bunch of cards in my hands. This one is successful career, a happy working environment, pay raises and promotions. Oh my god, who does not love getting this card, guys? So this is really cool. So in a sense, this could honestly be a beautiful growth, so much beauty in like your workplace, like in your career development. It's like a new successful adventure. It can be not just like romantic, but like loving, your heart is full, you're happy, and success is coming your way. And with the Herkimer Diamond, that come on, diamond energy, successful energy. And it's a pure card too, with the like white angelic energy. And with this card coming in with the Empress, just being able to nurture yourself, self-loving yourself, letting yourself know that all your hard work is going to pay off. Because with these cards, it's confirming, guys, your hard work is totally going to be paying off. And those who are around you are going to be loving you. And like the Cosmic Egg too can also represent something beautiful is about to hatch and open for you guys. So that new cycle is about to emerge, and you're going to have something beautiful happen, which is going to be a successful career path, a healthy working environment, and all that good stuff. So this can be a little romantic for some of you, and for others it can just be something good coming your way that's going to be coming forth in a loving energy, and once the cosmic egg hatches, everything will come into fruition for you guys. And the answer to your question is a yes. I hope this brought some clarification to you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below. And there's also in my description box, guys, a donation to my PayPal if you'd like to donate anything for your reading. And yeah, without further ado, I'll see you guys next time. Blessed be. Those of you who picked group number 3, let's go ahead and see if the answer is a yes or a no. And it's so funny because I told the other group I'm already hearing a no for my spiritual team, but I'm going ahead and using the pendulum board because I got it from the Witch's Moon, and I really love it so much, guys, and I just want to use the divination tools and give you the beautiful ambiance. And it's always fun just using the divination tools. It's so fun. But my intuition, my spiritual team is like a big no. So the answer to your guys' question is definitely going to be a no. And we're going to find out a little bit more insight to why it is a no. So I am getting a no, guys, for you. And let's see what your guys' cards are. So this is a aura-coated Chalcedony stone, guys. We got a card in reverse, we got the Magician, we got the Shiva Lingam, and we got the Dragon card. Okay. Is there any last messages, any clarification that you guys can give me? Archangel Michael, please bring it to me. Blessed be. Clarification card to group number 3. Clarification card for group number 3. So it looks like we got the Breaking Bad Habits card, guys, for your clarification. It's self-acceptance, excellence, mental health, and letting go of vices. So this is your guys' card that you got for clarification. So I guess you're going to have to let go. And let's see what this card that is in reverse. It's the New Moon in Aquarius, bringing love into the situation. So when a card is reversed, it can mean the opposite of what its original intent is, guys. So you don't need to bring love into the situation, possibly, but you do need to break bad habits. Oh, okay. Basically, you're not bringing love into the situation is why this card is reversed, is what they're telling me, guys. So you need to bring love into the situation to help break bad habits, either from yourself or another. The Magician card is very powerful that you guys got this as well. It's you are ready, you have the resources or the ability to manifest them, life is magical. Shiva Lingam is also a very powerful stone, guys, from India, where there's a stream of like a river and these magical stones come down. You guys got really good cards, and you got a little message here too. So basically the Dragon card is very wise and powerful. He's got the element of spirit above him, connecting you to the divine. Shiva Lingam stone connects you directly to the divine. You got Archangel Raziel, the Archangel of Magic, the divine, and number 1. So you guys, what I'm getting from this is that you're strong. You just need to use love and bring it into your situation and help yourself break bad habits, because you're choosing not to use the knowledge, wisdom, and power that is around you and your resources that you can use. With Archangel Raziel, you have the power and the stuff to do what you want, to let it come into motion. So you need to go ahead and use your resources and manifest them. Life is magical. Embrace it, guys. And you got Shiva Lingam. Like, connect to the divine, work with the Ascended Masters, get what you guys need to get going. That's basically the message for you. It's just that you need to break your bad habit and work with the divine, guys. Work with the Ascended Masters and let those thingies that aren't serving your highest and greatest good just be released. I hope you guys enjoyed your little reading, group number 3. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below. And without further ado, I'll see you guys next time. Blessed be. Also, if you guys want to donate, I got a donate section in my PayPal down below. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tarot card reading video. It was so much fun. I miss doing these. I hope I get more time to film these magical videos with you. I just miss working with my tarot cards. They're so much fun, and I can't wait to be bringing you guys some magical videos soon. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below to be notified for future videos, as well as checking out my description box to go ahead and donate anything if you guys would like for all these magical videos coming your way. And without further ado, like always, always, guys, in the name of Goddess Nyx, by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, may you all be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace. And so it is, so mote it be. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again. Spirit, divine creator of the universe, bless me as use these sacred tools to do my soul's work on earth and manifest my gifts for the good of all. Element of air, direction of ease, breathe life into my work, moving me, helping me imagine new beginnings. Spirits of ease, infusing magic into these tools. Element of fire, direction of south, encourage and energize my work, motivating me and driving me, helping me make progress as I grow. Spirits of south, infusing magic into these tools. Element of water, direction of west, guiding me, directing me, helping me move effortlessly along my path. Spirits of west, infusing magic into these tools. Element of earth, direction of north, you steady me and ground my work, holding and supporting me, helping me stay connected to source. Spirits of north, infusing magic into these tools. Thank you, elemental spirits, for being present to me. I seek to honor each of you in the ways I manifest and mirror magic in my work, my offerings, my practice, and so it is. At this time I now pronounce the greatest source, the great divine, thus watched out the old and stuck, to bring about the truest luck. With clear of mind and clear of time, my spirit guides can now align. I ask for truth, I ask for thought. As this pendulum swings, show me the spot. At this time I now connect. The greatest source, the great divine, so mote it be.